Hi, it's Richard from Hutchinson's again, and we are going to have a quick look into some cover crops. So we can see the bees and the pollinators are very much enjoying it, but it's not just for their benefit, so let's have a closer look at what's going on here. So what plants have we got going on here? In the first obvious yellow flower we've got mustard. So mustard has a long taproot on it, and it's very good at scavenging nitrogen from deep down in the soil. So rather than having that soil moving on through the soil profile and possibly leaching out, we're looking to use the mustard to gather up that nitrogen, and then when the cover crop is terminated and it breaks down, it will then release that nitrogen, which will be freely available for the next growing crop. So we're not wasting nitrogen, and we're preventing it leaching out into the environment. This whitey pink flowered is buckwheat. And buckwheat, asides from being very drought tolerant, so ideal for being established into dry seed bed towards the end of April, when this would have been established. It's also very good at foraging for phosphate. So we are including this in our cover crop to try and mine phosphate that might be available in the soil. So any freely available phosphate, rather than it being locked up with nothing there to take it up as it's being released, the buckwheat will be picking up what's plant available. And again, similar to the mustard, then when we terminate this and the buckwheat breaks down, that phosphate will be slowly released and the following crop can utilise it. The bluey purple flowered plant you can see, it's Phacelia. This is quite a high biomass plant, quite quick growing. And what we're looking for with our Phacelia, it has a very fibrous root system. You can see that. So what we want our Phacelia to be doing is conditioning the area of the soil that we're going to be putting our seed into for our following crop. So we're trying to use plants to do some of our tillage rather than just relying on steel. There should have been some linseed in here as well to go with the Phacelia. Again, very fibrous rooter and very good at conditioning the soil and helping to make our seed bed, but unfortunately hasn't quite fared as well as the Phacelia, the buckwheat, etc. So I can't actually lay my hands on any at the moment or see much in here. Also included a legume in the mix. This is to fix nitrogen from the atmosphere, similar to what we'll be doing rather than the mustard. Foraging what's available, we're looking for the legumes to fix nitrogen, which will then be available for the following crop. And now we've got another plant that is very tolerant to dry conditions and thrives in hot sunny climates. This is millet. It's a C4 plant, so this will be fixing sunlight and energy and pumping a lot of energy back into the soil, which will really be driving soil biology and helping build organic matter. So that was a quick look into this cover crop, what's going on in it, what plants we've got there and why we've chosen those plants and individual roles that they play. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you again.